Well, hello, you guys. So I made my plate bowl, and to is if you ever again, like I said, you keep watching this video, you see what I'm talking, what kind of chicken and stuff I use and do my mac and cheese. But if you ever go to Kentucky Fried Chicken, and what they call this a chicken with mac and cheese. And this is what I'm having, you guys. Only reason I'm gonna put the chicken on top of the mac and cheese, but I just want to show you guys how I cut it up and stuff. So what they do is simple and easy, you guys. They just go ahead and get some of the chicken and just put it in the bowl like that. I'll show you guys in a minute. This is how they do that. I guarantee. And this is so easy, you guys. I didn't really have to cook the chicken. I just have to heat it up in my microwave. And again, like I said, if you want to know the kind of chicken that I use, just keep watching this video, okay? But there you go. That's my mac and cheese and chicken. Inspired by Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yes, yes, yes. See? And that's why I didn't want to put it all, because I knew I was gonna have a lot of left over and stuff. But yeah. And they use the hot sauce. They got their own little hot sauce. Sorry about that, you guys. I hot sauce, but you could use like the Louisiana hot sauce, which I love. But because I love this right here, you guys, this hot sauce, it got a little sweet taste. You guys probably know what that is. They mostly use it on Roman soup, but this is the hot sauce I'm using. Yeah, that's the name of it. And so, say like, because I'm not going to put all this hot soup, I'm just going to do it in one section because I do have me some peppers. Yes. So I might go ahead and just put this on some of my chicken that I got down here, you guys. Oh my God, don't that look good? Wowza, wowza. And again, this is what I'm drinking on. Zero sugar. But I just want to come back to show you guys my plate. And if you want to see what kind of chicken I use, just keep watching this video. Okay? Okay, and I know I talk a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and uh, you guys get that first bite. I don't mind. And again, you guys, this chicken's so good and stuff, but that's how you do it. I brought this one time at the Kentucky Fried Chicken, so I think they put it don't really matter because it's going now, and stuff. But I think they does put the mac and cheese and the chicken on top. But there you guys go. You gotta get that first beautiful bite. Yes, yes, yes. Got it? Mm-hmm. Let me take a picture of that. Yeah, I have to. So you guys got that bite. So I'm taking my bite. Oh my God, that's good, you guys. Awesome. Okay, so I'm put some of that hot sauce on it. And if you guys prefer using the other hot sauce, be my guest. And I have this in the refrigerator, so it's real thick, you guys. See. And this is very spicy because you don't want to put too much. And that's why I do that like that. Just go ahead Get some of that cheese off. Got to get that bite. Yes, very spicy. I like it because I like the sweetness of it. Yeah. All right. Again, like I said, want to see how I make this? Just keep watching this video. Okay? And don't forget to thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And keep the notification bell on if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. Okay, so just keep watching this video. You always say, until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. But continue watching this video if you want to see, what kind of chicken I use. Okay? Ah, good dinner, you guys. Very good dinner. I guarantee. All right. Just keep watching. Continue watching because I'm going to continue eating my food. I'll probably save this for tomorrow because that's a lot of meat. All right.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again. Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Well, hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Okay, this is another easy recipe, you guys. You could go ahead now. You see these two items right here? Okay, you know how you go to Kentucky Fried Chicken and they have the chicken with mac and cheese bowl. Haha. Is that a good idea? You have your own. This is what they sell at you go to Kentucky Fried Chicken. They have like the bowl, the chicken mac and cheese bowl. Man, that is what I'm having, you guys. Good idea for dinner. Something if you want something quick and easy. And I love this brand right here, you guys. It's already cheesy and everything. Yeah, and I love these kind of chicken, tender, chicken breasts and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it like chicken nuggets. And I got it in my microwave. My air fryer, the chicken. Okay, here. See? Easy. I guarantee. But again, like I said, this is gonna be a very short video, you guys. Quick and easy. Yes. So just think about it, you guys. Next time you go to Kentucky Fried Chicken and you get the I think it's called a chicken mac and cheese bowl. Tell you to see, I'm gonna cut these in nuggets. Okay? Yeah, so again, like I said, you guys keep watching my video on my cooking channel. Man, I have some good idea, on cooking. I guarantee. And this is the Southern, tell you the truth, this is the Southern chicken breast. Because I'm from the South, so yes. Oh, my goodness. But, yep, I'll show you how it turned out, you guys. I'm just finished cooking my, the chicken's already done. You have to just go by, if you buy that brand, just look on the back of the package, and it will tell you how to cook this, okay? It's already cooked, okay? Only reason I got that for because I don't want to clean the air fryer. Save a lot of time. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in there. I think it's got, well, it's almost done. It got 43 seconds left. So again, I got this at my local grocery store, and this is so good, you guys. See how I say fully cooked it? Yes. Very, very. This is a good brand by Tyson. And I love this, you guys. I guarantee. And another thing, let me tell you guys another thing they have. Another thing they have at Kentucky Fried Chicken is the mashed potato and corn. Get you a can of, open you a can of corn and just mix it together as a bowl. Just mix it together, and there you have it. You have another dish. You see what I'm saying? So open you a can of corn, fresh corn or whatever, and after you heat everything up, mix it together. That's another dish that I just gave you guys and stuff. But this what I'm having. Okay? All right, but I will see you guys when I make my plate. Now, this I might just put some on the side, you know. I love mashed potato. Yep. Okay. So you guys see this when I start eating it, that's what that is. The mashed potato sour cream. I love this brand. And you know, they got a restaurant out somewhere in Maryland, DC. Yeah, they got the original is from, he got a restaurant out there, okay? Because when we visit Washington, D.C. in Maryland, we saw this restaurant. Yeah, all right. So this probably be the end. So when you guys see the first video when I eat it, and this gonna be the end of it. So that's what I'm saying. So, you know, so I always like to put my first intro when I'm eating my food, if you know what I mean. All right, bye-bye. And like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys always keep coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be kind and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It wouldn't cost you nothing. Just hit that subscribe button and keep your notification bell on. Okay, and until then, I will see you guys in this vlog video. Bye-bye. Have a blessed night. And I hope you guys make your own chicken and mac and cheese bowl. All right, bye-bye.
Pain, no, that's the kind of thing that keeps me calling.